What's the next step? Take the intake manifold off, I guess. And it looks like it's going to have to be modified straight out of the packet. So what's unusual about that? Welcome back to Garage Kei. In this episode, I'm going to continue pulling that F6A twin cam engine apart from the Alto works. I've been really busy here. I've been working on the white Alto. If you don't know what that is, check out the Secret K video, then you'll find out what that is. I've got a mystery gift video coming. It's all happening. So yeah, let's get into this episode. Go in here with this. Yeah. Okay. Bit of ratchet spanner action. Nope, not that way, but this way. Oh, what the hell? Something random just fell down over there for some reason. I don't know what. I think taking the cams off is probably the smartest thing to do rather than trying to reach down there. These have to come off anyway so I can reach the head bolts. So let's take these off, and then that will give me better access to the intake manifold. Let's do that. The sequence for undoing doesn't matter that much, I'm told. Doing them up matters a great deal, but when you're undoing them, just do them as you see fit. So I caved and decided I was going to use the drill to do these, but then I couldn't find the adapter, so that's the end of that. I actually went out and bought 2 adapters so that I wouldn't be able to lose them. Like if I lost one, I'd have a spare one, but evidently I've lost both of them. Lost the spare as well, so absolutely hopeless. Oh, okay, do I have a longer extension? I don't have to go get another extension. Just do it from the moon. Like that. Finally. Alright, this should just lift off. There we go. How do the cams look? They look in good condition. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, this doesn't look bad at all. Now, right, got those out. I need to get to these here, which might actually be easier to come from the other side. Like this. Yeah, just access straight away. Mind you, it is much easier with the cam housings off because you can see clearly where the nuts are. This one here is a bit more difficult because the fuel rail is in the way. The vacuum lines are in the way too. The underside ones, they've put this like support, these supports that hold this whole thing together, and they're right in the way to line this up. It's all the way in here. Back to using again because there's no way to get in there with a ratchet. Imagine trying to do this in the car. Like right now, I'm probably sitting where the steering wheel would be in an Alto. So could you imagine trying to do this while this was in the car? Be absolutely horrendous. Because you can't, like, I'll have to show you this. See this nub here? This gets in the way of access to there. And this one gets in the way of the access to this one. And that one there too. They put this rail in here. I guess it's for support. And it just blocks the bolts. So you're trying to get your ratchet in there and you can't. If they didn't put these nubs on there, you'd probably be fine. Why? I might have to take... No, I don't want to take anything else off. I just want to take the head off. So I'm going to have to just struggle on, continue the way I'm going. They're not tight. It's just they're difficult to get at, that's all. And this other, the last one is stuck in behind the EGR valve. I think the torque setting for these is only like 14 Newton meters, so they're not on there tight. It's just you can't get at them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 along the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 along the top. Give it a bit of a how's it going, and away she comes. minus the water lines that I didn't detach, that I probably should have. Now, that's it. That everything's removed from the head, so we can take it off. Okay, I've just tightened these two nuts against each other, and that allows me to spin this stud out. Okay, that's how that's done. Okay, the other one. Like that. Lock them on each other. And this just comes straight out, see? There we go, get this undone. Actually, I had to put the other one in a vise. There we go, got it. Get those off. Done. Okay. One head bolt, two head bolts. Four, five, six, okay, that is it. So we should just be able to lift this head off now. There we go. Done. Any damage to the pistons? No. No damage. Well, I'm dripping oil on my Crocs. No damage to the pistons at all, which is very, very nice to see. So yeah, this should be a good head to use. Let's flip it over. I think we'll take the take these bolts, the head bolts out, put them aside, and then put the cam cover back on. I just want that on there so that the what are they called, the lifters, or no, the things that the cams ride on, I don't want them to fall out everywhere. So I'm not going to do this up. I'm just going to make it so it won't come apart. How about that? It'll hold itself together, but it won't be done up. Okay, as far as I can tell, I have about 11 seconds, 10 seconds left before my memory card is full. As you can see, this is in good condition. Well, that's it. That's all I got. So we got the head off as promised. Didn't go the way I planned it really, but nothing really ever does. I should just be surprised I didn't have to modify anything straight out of the packet, I suppose. And yeah, that's it. That's the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. If you'd like to see what happens next, press subscribe. Lots of Alto content coming up very soon. As I said before, the mystery gift, more work on the white every van, more dirty magazine days, lots of stuff coming, so make sure you're subscribed. I will see you in the next one. Later.